guys, welcome back to my channel for another CVS deals video, and thank you all for joining me once again. This is a brand new ad and we have some good deals going on. I will announce the second winner of the giveaway in this video, and I would like to say a big thank you to everyone that participated. I am forever grateful for all the love and support you guys show me, because without you all, this channel would not be where it is today. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you and thanks for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comment section and I'll make sure I get to it. And let's go find some deals. All Huggies wipes except the natural wipes are on sale for buy one get one free, no extra care box bag. Pick up two price at $4.59. Pay $4.59 for both, making each one just $2.30. Crest toothpaste are on sale for $3.99, and when you buy two, you get $5 back. Pick up two for a total of $7.98. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.98, and you get $5 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. If you don't need two toothpaste, you can pick up one toothpaste and one toothbrush, or two toothbrushes, and the breakdown will be the same. Special K cereal are on sale for buy one get one free, and their price is $7.29. Pick up two, pay $7.29, making each box just $3.65. If you need Rice Krispie treats or Pop-Tarts, they are on sale for just $1.99. The 5-ounce Bumble Bee Tuna cans are on sale for buy two get two free, and when you buy two, you get $1 back. Pick up four, they are priced at $1.99. The buy two get two free, you will pay for two and two will be free. That means the total will be $3.98. Pay that and get $1 back, making them just $2.98 or 75 cents each. Ghanaian fruity shampoo or conditioners are on sale for $3.99, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner. Both will total $7.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay just $4.98, get 3 back, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. L'Oreal Elvive are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7, get 3 back, making them $4 or $2 each. The next deal I have is spend $20, get $10 back on Dove hair care. Pick up 2 Dove shampoo priced at $7.49 each and 1 Dove conditioner priced at $5.99. These 3 will total $20.97. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $16.97 and you get 10 back, making them $6.97 or $2.32 each. Or you can pick up 2 shampoos and 2 conditioners priced at $5.99 each for a total of $23.96. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $19.96, get 10 back, making them $9.96 or $2.49 each. Clara Nice and Easy or Root Touchups are on sale for $8.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $17.98. We currently don't have any coupon in our app, so this is not the best deal, but if you need it, pay $17.98 and get $4 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. The 20-ounce Dove body wash is on sale for $7.99, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $15.98. We have a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $12.98 and you get 3 back, making them just $9.98 or $4.99 each. The next deal I have is on soft soap and Irish Spring body wash, the 20 ounce. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this deal depending on what you need, but this deal is a limit of 1. The first one is to pick up 2 soft soap. It's priced at $6.59, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.30. Both will total $9.89. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. This coupon will work either on soft soap or Irish Spring. Using the 4 off 2 coupon, you will pay $5.89, get 2 back, making them $3.89 or $1.95 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 Irish Spring body wash priced at $7.49, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.75. Both will total $11.24. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.24 and get $2 back, making them $5.24 or $2.62 each. All Nivea body washes are on sale for buy one get one free, no extra care box, and I have 2 options for this deal depending on what you need. If you like the Nivea men, they are priced at $5.99. Pick up 2, pay $5.99, and that will make each one just $3. Or if you prefer Nivea women body wash, they are priced at $6.99. Pick up 2, pay $6.99, and that will make each body wash just $3.50. Buy 2 any CoverGirl cosmetics and you get $6 back. Pick up 2 CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $6.59 each, and both will total $13.18. Use a $4 off CoverGirl Extra Care coupon everybody received, and you pay $9.18 and get 6 back, making them $3.18 or $1.59 each. The next makeup deal I have is buy 2 get $5 back on Maybelline cosmetics, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first one is to pick up 2 Maybelline Fit Me blush priced at $7.79 each. Both will total $15.58. If you have the 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, then this option will be better for you. Use that and a $3 Maybelline digital coupon. The CRT and the coupon will take off $6 and you pay $9.58. Get 5 back, making them just $4.58 or $2.29 each. If you don't have the 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, then you can pick up 2 Maybelline baby lips priced at $5.29 each. Both will total $10.58. Use the $3 digital coupon and you pay $7.58 and get 5 back, making them $2.58 or $1.29 each. It's time to announce this week's giveaway winner, and the winner is Shadi G 1985. Congrats, and please send me an email to confirm and I will send you your $25 CVS e-gift card. Thanks to everyone that participated. I really appreciate all your support, and I hope to do more in the future, and let's keep growing. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on any Palmer's skincare. Pick up 2 Palmer's lotion priced at $8.99, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and with that the first one will be full price and the second one will be $4.50. These 2 will total $13.49. Pay that and get 6 back, making them $7.49 or $3.75 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 7 back on Nivea hand and body lotion or men shave products, and I have few options for this deal. The first one is to pick up 2 Nivea men shave gel priced at $6.59. The 2 shave gels will total $13.18. Pay that and get 7 back, making them $6.18 or $3.09 each. The next option is to pick up 2 Nivea lotion priced at $10.29 each. Both will total $20.58. Pay the $20.58 and get 7 back, making them $13.58 or $6.79 each. Or you can pick up 2 8-ounce Nivea lotion priced at $7.29 each. Both will total $14.58. Pay that and get $7 back, making them $7.58 or $3.79 each. If you need sun care products, I have 2 deals in this video, and the first one is on Banana Boat or Hawaiian Tropics. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 Banana Boat After Sun Care Lotion priced at $8.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.50. These 2 will total $13.49. Check your app. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and you pay $9.49, get 5 back, making them just $4.49 or $2.50 each. The next sun care deal I have is buy 2 get 10 back on Coppertone sun care. Pick up 2 Coppertone Kids Spray priced at $11.79 each. Both will total $23.58. As you can see, some of them have some hang tags. Use 2. That will take off $4 and you will pay $19.58 and get 10 back, making them $9.58 or $4.79 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 5 back. Pick up 1 12-roll Scott bath tissue and 1 6 double-roll paper towels. Both are on sale for $9.99. These 2 will total $19.98. We have a $1 off digital coupon for the bath tissue, dropping it down to $18.98, and you get 5 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. We do not have a spend 30 get $10 back this week, but we have a spend 25 get $5 back, and I have one option for this deal. Pick up 1 Downy fabric softener on sale for $6.99. 1 Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99 and 1 Tide Pod on sale for $12.99. My store is out of the Tide Pod, but I will put a picture up. These three will total $25.98. Use a $1.50 off Downy digital coupon, $1 off Dawn digital coupon, and $3 off Tide digital coupon. That will take off $5.50 and you pay $20.47 and get 5 back, making them $15.47 or $5.16 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.